Navar here, and we're back with another product detail video. We're excited to introduce you a groundbreaking grooming tool that promises to redefine the trimming industry, the Instinct Professional Vector Motor Trimmer. Let's get into it. In this comprehensive presentation, we'll dive deeper into these unique features. This knowledge will enable you to boost sales and exceed your clients' expectations. The Instinct Professional Vector Motor Trimmer is a game changer with its full-size clipper motor and a compact trimmer design. It offers incredibly powerful and fast blade speed at 9,500 strokes per minute, delivering the ultimate trimming experience. Barbers and stylists can now enjoy the power of a clipper within the convenience of a trimmer. The Instinct trimmer maintains a consistent 9,500 RPMs regardless of the resistance or force it encounters. The Instinct trimmer intuitively increases torque and power effortlessly. As long as it feels that resistance, the vector motor lets it know to kick up more power. One of the strongest advantages on this tool is its high-powered X-Pro blade and the One Cutter, which allows for laser-sharp lines and efficient bulk removal. The premium black DLC diamond-like carbon blade stays cooler, rust-free, and sharper for much longer, ensuring optimal performance. This advanced blade design ensures precise lines and exceptional trimming results. It's also easy to zero gap our blades. The fully adjustable blades can be easily zero gap with the included zero gap setter tool and blade cover. This feature ensures the perfect blade alignment and protects your blade when not in use. Another huge strength of this tool is its exceptional battery life. The Instinct trimmer boasts an impressive battery life of up to 4 hours. Now, the actual duration may vary based on the usage of the intuitive torque control. It's just like driving a car up the hill. If your car gets 30 miles per gallon, if it's driving uphill all day, you're not going to get those full 30 miles per gallon. This long-lasting battery ensures uninterrupted performance during busy days at the barbershop or salon. Another advantage that goes hand in hand with its runtime is its multiple charging options. You can use the USB charging option, our standard plug, or on your clipper dock. With all those charging options, you never have to worry about being without power with your Instinct trimmer. The Instinct trimmer's compact and lightweight design weighs less than ½ a pound, offering unparalleled comfort and agility. This ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use, making it an ideal choice for busy professionals. The Instinct trimmer's smaller skeletal style design provides a better sight line, enabling ultra-precise cutting in areas around the ears, the mustache, and more visibility all around. That enhanced visibility allows professionals to achieve unmatched trimming results with ease. Another one of our advantages is our customization options. With our red, black, or blue face options, you can make your Instinct trimmer custom to you. Like all our tools, we add a comprehensive accessory package. The Instinct trimmer comes with a cleaning and maintenance kit, mini screwdriver, charging cord, and charging stand, ensuring that you have everything you need right out of the box. This comprehensive package offers convenience and ease of use, enhancing the overall trimmer experience. In summary, the Instinct Professional Vector Motor Trimmer is a revolutionary grooming tool that boasts an unbeatable combination of power, precision, comfort, and convenience. By familiarizing yourself with these features and their benefits, you can confidently educate potential clients on why the Instinct trimmer is the ultimate choice. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be well prepared to elevate your sales and establish a loyal customer base. It's time to unleash your creativity and take your sales to new heights with the Instinct Professional Vector Motor Trimmer.